Hey guys, it's Adam from the Butcher Boy, and today I'm going to show you my custom Lego minifigures for Alvin and the Chipmunks. So over here we have Alvin, Simon, Theodore and Dave. So I'm going to be showing you how to build each and every one of them, starting with Alvin over here. To build Alvin, you will need these sand blue short legs. I got them from a kid in Jurassic World. They may have come in other sets, but this is where I got mine. I quite like these short legs because Alvin is short, then they have that denim jean feel. It's really good. Now onto his torso. I got it from Jack in Hidden Side. Quite like this torso because it's got that red kind of cool kid troublemaker vibe that Alvin is definitely going for. And it reminds me of that scene in the Squeakquel when Alvin joins Ryan and the basketball team, the football team, and betrays his brothers. So kind of a bit of nostalgia there. Other torsos you can use though is this torso. I don't really know where it's from, but I think it came from an older man in a city set, but it doesn't matter because that's not the torso. Goodbye. And for his head, quite like this head. It's the one from Robin Underwood in the Next to Night's line. It also came in a few city sets and stuff like that. It's got that kind of cool kid vibe, that like the jacket and the jeans. It's very Alvin. Now for his hair, this light brown spiky hair, definitely very Alvin, and that's what I go for. Now for his accessories, you could trade in his hair for his hat, which covers his face. I personally like his hair, but then his hat is what I do for an accessory. So I'm taking this little white stud and putting it in a red baseball cap and sticking it in his hand. And also I'm going to give him this red guitar that came from the rocker guy from the Lego Ninjago minifigure series. Yeah, and that is how we build Alvin. Now we are going to build Simon. Now to build Simon, we're going to start off with these dark blue short legs. They're different shade to what Alvin has. I found them in the Mighty Micros one. I don't remember what it is. I think it's the one with Star-Lord. I've forgotten her name, who he fought against. But it's those ones. And for his torso, I got it from an ice cream vendor in the Lego City line. I quite like this torso because it's got that sort of nerdy feel with the blue. And I know Simon doesn't really have much of that, but I quite like what it goes for. I don't care about accuracy for this. Now for his head. Going for this head is from the Birthday Party Boy in the Lego Collectible Minifigure series. I like this one because, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like the green glasses. And yeah, it's got that sort of nerd-like feel. And then the eyebrows as well. I know it's a weird thing to say, but fits. And I know his glasses aren't green, but hey, deal with it. Now his hair. You can probably get this from any Emmett figure that you can find. Yeah, it's from Emmett in the Lego movie. It's got that sort of comb-over brown hair. It's a different sort of shade than Alvin's. Hello. Because his fur is darker. So, I quite like it. Now we're going to move the last of the Chipmunk brothers, Theodore. Oh, and his accessory, before I build Theodore, and I forget, is this blue guitar, which I quite like. Now we're going to build for Theodore, we're going to start with these medium azure legs. I think, or maybe they're dark azure. I like them because they're also blue short legs, just like his brothers, and they fit him. Now for his torso, I went with this one from Lloyd in the Lego Ninjago movie. It's got the green hoodie with the zip-up white t-shirt. That fits Theodore very well. What I considered using was this one. Is the Drone Boys from Series 20. I just put some legs on there just to show it. I wanted to go with this one because it's got the green hoodie. And then there's even a T there for Theodore. But then Theodore isn't the one who wears letters on his top. That's what Alvin does. Anyways, enough of you, on to Theodore. So the head we've chosen is from Rainbow Bear in the Series 19. I went with this because it's got like the cute little look that Theodore's going for, and it's actually the only double-sided head that we'll be seeing. It fits Theodore quite well. Now his hair. This hair you can't actually get in any sets. This came from the Lego Store Builder minifigure station and fits Theodore quite well. And for his accessory, I gave him this chocolate chip cookie from some city sets, maybe some fun sets. It fits Theodore because he loves cookies and anything sweet, and that fits Theodore. Now onto our last figure, how to build Dave. Finally, we have the Chipmunks' human dad, David Seville. So we're going to start off with these long brown legs. I think they came in many different sets. I don't recall where I got mine from, but they're just dark brown legs. Works well for like jeans or trousers or whatever you want. Now onto this torso. It's this checked shirt from a Lego City line. It's the blue check shirt with the red checks. Fits Dave quite well. Gives him that like fatherly look, which I like. This head, just standard Lego City head. Fits Dave quite well. And now for this hair. This came from one of the new Harry Potter's figures from 2020. The graveyard set. It's actually Lloyd's hair in black. I think it fits Dave quite well. So that is how you build all the figures. Alvin, Simon, Theodore, and their dad, Dave. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a like on this video. And be sure to leave a comment. Bye. And stay tuned for a new one.